So this is a follow-up question. So we are going to machine two fillets from the previous question. So let's do that. So you are going to machine this fillet and then this one as well. But this one has already been defined over here called open profile. So we are only going to generate the two part, the operational plan, and then we are going to apply a ball nose. We are going to use a ball nose to. So we are going to edit the definition, and we are going to select a ball nose, a 10 mm ball nose over here. So we select the ball nose. So first cut amount is 100. So everything is fine. We'll generate the two part. Okay. So we can simulate it as well. Okay, so it looks good. So the next thing to do is to create a feature and then machine this part as well. So we are going to use a boss feature. We'll select here end condition up to surface, up to this surface. Okay. So with this one, we apply the same to. So we generate the operation plan, and then we add the bonus. Everything looks okay. Now the next thing is to combine the two and regenerate the two parts. So I'll combine. So before I do that, let me simulate. Let me generate two parts and then simulate this one. So you can see it also came out nice. So I'll combine these two. And then after that, I'll just look at the total two part length. So the total two part length here is 582.76 millimeters. Okay, so you can preview both to simulate both two part, and it looks fine. Okay, so we are going to stick to this as our final answer. Okay,